Using Ethereum Classic with Ledger Nano S. The Ledger hardware and software components. Ledger Nano S is a hardware wallet, so to use it you need to have your Ledger Nano S device, to install the Ledger Live app on your computer, and to install it on your phone if you want to use it on your mobile as well. In this tutorial we explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S, adding and using Ethereum Classic with it, both on your computer and your mobile phone. We will show the parallel actions on your Ledger Nano S, your computer and your mobile device when appropriate. 1. Install the Ledger Live app on your computer. Everything starts with the hardware wallet and the Ledger Live app on your computer. To download it, you need to go to https://www.ledger.com/start. Then open it on your computer and press the Get Started button. 2. Select device and setup style. In the next few steps, Ledger Live will ask you which device model you own, if you're setting it up for the first time, or if you already have a recovery phrase from before. Since this post is for Ledger Nano S and the new setup, then press Select on the Ledger Nano S model and then click the Setup New Nano S link. After this, the app will show you a short educational message. When you finish reading it, then press Let's do this. 3. Prepare to set up your device and turn it on. In the next screen, Ledger Live on your computer will explain how the process will work and how long it will take. After this, it will tell you to connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer. See the next screen for parallel actions on your Ledger Nano S device, and to follow the steps until you get the message Set up as new device. Press Next Step on the Ledger Live app on your computer and set up as new device by pressing both menu buttons at the same time at the top of your Ledger Nano S device. Connect your Ledger Nano S and set up as new device in parallel. As you follow the steps on your computer app, connect your Ledger Nano S device to your computer and read the instructions. When you get to the point where it says Set up as new device, then press both menu buttons at the top of your device at the same time as shown in the last image of this section. 4. Set up the device PIN code. In the next step, Ledger Live on your computer will tell you that you need to select an 8-digit PIN code for your device. In parallel, you will see on your device the message Choose PIN. Press both menu buttons to select your PIN. When you have selected and reconfirmed your PIN number on your Ledger Nano S device, it will go to the next step. Press Next Step on your Ledger Live on your computer as well. 5. Write down your recovery phrase. In the next step, Ledger Live on your computer will ask you to check and write down your 24-word recovery phrase. On your device, you will need to press the right menu button to start the process. You will see word number 1 first, then word number 2, next, and so on until you reach the 24th word. Write them all down in a card provided in the box of your Ledger Nano S. You got up to 3 cards, so you may copy the passphrase up to 3 times, so you may put them in different safe places as a backup. 6. Confirm your recovery phrase. To make sure that you copied the 24-word passphrase correctly and in the right order, Ledger Live on your computer will ask you to confirm each word. In parallel, on your Ledger Nano S device, you will see each word again as you press the right menu button. Several of them will be wrong on purpose, so you need to scroll right or left with the menu buttons to search for the correct words. confirming them by pressing both menu buttons. When you confirm all 24 words, then your Ledger Nano S will tell you that your recovery phrase is set. 7. Hide recovery phrase and perform genuine check. In the next screen, Ledger Live will ask you to hide your recovery phrase in a safe place or several places if you made more copies. After this, it will greet you and ask you a few questions to see if you understood the security features of the system. Then it will ask you to perform a genuine check to make sure that the device you're using is real and from the original equipment manufacturer. After the genuine check is approved and confirmed, press Continue. 8. Add Ethereum Classic to your Ledger Nano S. In the next step, you will see the home page of your Ledger Live app on your computer. The first thing it will ask you is to add an account. To add an Ethereum Classic account, we need to add the ETC app both inside the Ledger Live on your computer and on your Ledger Nano S device. Press Add Account. Then search for Ethereum Classic in the field provided. When Ethereum Classic ETC appears, select it and press Continue. In the next step, both your Ledger Live app on your computer and your Ledger Nano S device will start loading the ETC app in parallel. To let your Ledger Nano S load ETC, select Allow Ledger Manager by pressing both menu buttons at the same time. Wait until the Ethereum Classic app is loaded on both your devices. As your Ledger Live app on your computer and your Ledger Nano S load ETC, you will see the progress on your computer. When it is loaded, you will see the first ETC account created, which will be labeled Ethereum Classic 1. Press Add Account. After this, it will synchronize both machines and let you know that the ETC account was added successfully. Press Done. 9. Receive Ethereum Classic for the first time. Now that you have an ETC account on your Ledger Nano S, you can manage it from your Ledger Live app on your computer. To receive ETC for the first time, go to Accounts and select your ETC account. Then press the Receive button. In the next pop-up, select your ETC account. You may have several accounts if you wish. And then press Continue. In the next step, Ledger will show you the ETC address, which you may copy or use its QR code to show it to others so they may send you ETC. However, Ledger will ask you to verify whether the address is genuine by using your Ledger Nano S device. For this, connect your device, enter the PIN code, and open the Ethereum Classic app as shown in the images above. When the application is ready, it will ask you to verify your address. See next step. On your Ledger Nano S device, you may move to the right or left using the menu buttons to see your address and check that it is the same one as shown on your Ledger Live app on your computer. Once you verify the address, press the two menu buttons on your device to approve it. Then your Ledger Live app on your computer will tell you that the address was shared securely. 10. Send Ethereum Classic. To send ETC, go to your account again on the Ledger Live app on your computer. Then press the Send button. In the next screen, you will see a space provided to paste the recipient address. Paste the recipient address and press Continue. In the next step, Ledger Live on your computer will ask you to select how much ETC you wish to send and what amount of gas you wish to spend for this transaction. Select how much ETC you will send. We chose send max for this example transaction, and the amount of gas. We chose medium. In the next screen, Ledger Nano Live on your computer will show you a summary of the transaction you're going to send to the ETC blockchain. If everything looks okay, then press Continue. In the next step, Ledger Live on your computer will ask you to confirm and sign the transaction on your Ledger Nano S device. In parallel, on your device, press Open App Ethereum Classic. Then go ahead and review the transaction by pressing the right and left menu buttons. As you go advancing to the right, you will see all the data of your transaction. Once you confirm that the recipient address, amount, and gas fee are correct, then select Accept and Send by pressing both menu buttons on your Ledger Nano S device at the same time. In parallel, on your Ledger Live screen on your computer, you will see that the transaction is being broadcast to the ETC blockchain. Once it is broadcast, Ledger Live will let you know that the transaction was sent and will give you the option to view its details if you wish. 11. Connecting the Ledger Live phone app to your Ledger. Now that you have your Ledger Live on your computer installed and associated with your Ledger Nano S device, you may also set up and use the Ledger Live app on your phone. To start, download Ledger Live on your phone. Then press Get Started and select Yes I Do when the app asks you if you own a ledger. In the next screen, select Set up my ledger. Then you will see instructions on what to do on your computer Ledger Live app. On your Ledger Live on your computer, open the Settings menu on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then select the Account tab on the top menu of the Settings page. Inside the Account section, press the Export button to show a QR code in the next screen. When you see the QR code on your computer screen, get the phone app and press the I am ready to scan button. Scan the QR code on your computer screen to synchronize the Ledger Live phone app with your computer app. Once it synchronizes, the Ledger Live phone app will show you your ETC account on the phone and the option to import settings. Press Import to set up your ETC account on your phone. After a while, your Ledger Live phone app will show the same account as on your computer. You are all set. Thank you for watching this Ethereum Classic tutorial. To start using Ledger Nano S with ETC, go to ledger.com. To learn more about ETC, go to ethereumclassic.org. Thank you very much.